Hello, my beautiful audience. How are you today? This is Dr. Patty, and today I would like to share something very interesting for you. This is how language is acquired by the human brain. As you know, every time we hear something, let's say a conversation or a music, whatever, and maybe when we read something, a novel or whatever you like to read, our brain comes to this process, and this process is has different parts in which information is acquired. So I would like to explain this to you through my brain model. Okay, as I told you before, this is our model, and I would like to explain you the process from which information goes through. First, let's say I'm reading a text and I see the word dog. I'm saying I saw the information, so this information entered the brain through the visual cortex because we read the word dog. Then this information goes to the angular gyrus, which is in yellow here. This angular gyrus is kind of a store of information, or maybe a library or something like that. And it is very important because here the processing of the information starts. Then the angular gyrus sends the information to Wernicke's area, which is in brown. Wernicke's area, it's responsible to understand the information, for the comprehension of the information. That's why this area is very important for language acquisition. And then the information goes to Broca's area, which is in purple. But here we have something. What's here? This is the arcuate fasciculus, which is in orange. And the arcuate fasciculus is very important because it's kind of a bridge between Wernicke's area and Broca's area. So if this arcuate fasciculus is not well or is not working properly, the information won't come from one side to another. Broca's area is responsible for producing language. So this area is very important. If information doesn't come through these areas, this is an aphasia. And this aphasia is when people don't speak well, like they have problems, they can articulate words. When Wernicke's area is in damage, they can articulate the words, but they have no sense what they say. And when we have aphasia in Broca's area, we can't articulate the words, but we know what we want to say. So it's very important to keep these areas untouchable, let's say. And well, Broca's area, as I said before, it's the responsible for producing language. But this area needs something very important. This needs the motor cortex, because this area sends the information to the motor cortex, and the motor cortex will move the muscles and the bones from the face to articulate the words physically. So all this is how language is acquired by the brain. As we have seen, brain is a marvel. And well, as I always say, it was a pleasure to be with you. Remember, language acquisition is something very important of our brains. It's a very important process that it's good to learn and to understand it, and of course to know it and share with other people. So I'll see you later, and bye bye.